Libra, this is your reading for the second week of May, that is 8th to the 14th. Libra, whichever placement works for you, or if the title resonates, or there may be times when some zodiac sign may be specifically calling. So whatever it is, alright? And take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Let's see. Wow, that was quick. Serendipity, blessed, beautiful. Come to the edge. Now everybody wants to become a Libra. I want to become a Libra. I am a Libra sun sign. But yeah, there's something beautiful that awaits you. It's waiting for you to, as if, come to the edge, baby. It's as if the Fool card, just surrender. Even Gemini had something similar, like surrender, give up on the sense of control. So it may be something similar with you too. With you too. Let's see. But there's something that's beautiful that's already happening in your life. Maybe you're not seeing it yet. The overall energy for your reading, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Hanged Man, King of Pentacles, Hierophant, Five of Wands, Ace of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the Lovers, Knight of Pentacles. There's a very spiritual connection here to the Hierophant, Lovers, Two of Cups and Ace of Cups, and the Ace of Wands, of course. The overall energy for your reading is the Ace of Cups. Brand new beginning in love, or you feel love for yourself, but it's opening of the heart. In the past, you have the Two of Cups, the Hanged Man, and the King of Pentacles. You may have felt very stuck in a connection, or you may have been stuck in a connection for a long time, but I think there is your idea, if things did not work out, which is what I think so, if things did not work out there, it shifted, it at least changed your perception towards commitment and relationships. In the present, you have the Hierophant, Five of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. There's wands, too many wands right there. There is this conflict that you feel going on within you. Yes, I think it's within you. It's not around you. It may be happening. I mean, that's the vibration that you may be projecting on the outside. You may be irritated or frustrated. Just know this is all part of your spiritual journey, or whatever journey it is that you are on. It is going to uplift and elevate you. There is something new that awaits, but I don't think you're seeing that yet. Some of you are definitely recognizing that you are on a spiritual journey, and you know that these are all things that don't matter. So whatever happens on this planet, as long as we are fulfilling our karmas, I think the rest can be surrendered to the universe, to the consciousness, the source, to take care. In the future, you have the Three of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Knight of Pentacles. There is a partnership here. I think you may also have a choice between the two. Between two people. There's a connection. There's a partnership. Something that's intense and passionate, possibly. Clarify Ace of Cups. Knight of Cups. The Tower. Page of Swords. Libra, you may be getting some message from somebody. You may already have received it. or you may be receiving it, but it's a message of love, most likely, because it's coming from the Knight of Cups and the Ace of Cups being here. It's a message, a sudden message though. I mean, it comes from nowhere. Clarify Two of Cups in the past. Let's see. I don't know. There is something here that I'm not quite able to understand, I feel. Clarify Two of Cups. Two of Swords, Six of Swords, Three of Cups. Alright, so I think you did, somewhere you did leave something behind. But on the other hand, you were also wanting things to come back together. You may have gotten yourself out of something that you, it's as if this energy of blindfolded, you did not want to see things for what they are. Clarify Hanged Man, Judgment, Knight of Swords, Ten of Wands. Alright, finally, I do think that you are releasing this need to go back to somebody. You are giving up on that. You're putting that burden down. You don't want to carry any anger or any sort of frustration and rush. It's as if you may have wanted to rush towards somebody, but I don't think you're doing that anymore. Clarify the King of Pentacles. Knight of Wands, Page of Cups, King of Swords. There's so much mix of everything here. Mix of Pentacles, Wands, Cups, Swords. And I really felt that is your person. Somewhere they may still be wanting you, Libra. They still may be wanting you. But they are somebody who's, I don't know, maybe, I mean, depends on each one of your situation. But I think this is somebody who's very free-spirited kind of person. Possibly somebody who's a traveler. And also somebody who is not very constant or stable. Maybe a little in and out, may have been a little in and out in whatever relationship you both share. Clarify the Hierophant in the present. Five of Swords, the Empress, Two of Pentacles. Still, there is this energy of sabotage. Self-sabotaging. It comes from this place of juggling, juggling between, it's as if you don't recognize your worth, you don't realize your worth, You're still having a hard time to feel confident in yourself. Clarify Five of Wands. Page of Pentacles, Death, Nine of Pentacles. I think you are no longer wanting to give power to the conflict that you are going through inside of you, within yourself. You are trying to get out of it. It's slow step. It's like one step at a time, but you are taking that step to freedom and independence. You may be freeing yourself of the past energies completely. Clarify Ace of Wands. Three of Wands, Four of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. You may have waited, right? I do think you have waited. Maybe your person has also waited for you. But I also think that you are giving yourself the chance to move on, or at least heal yourself from that, or getting yourself out of that waiting mode. You are allowing yourself to move on, to be honest. Clarify Three of Pentacles in the future. the devil, Four of Wands, the moon. Why is the devil there? I'm not liking the devil with the Four of Wands and the moon. There may be some secrets in a partnership that's kept from you, Libra. Wow. Yep. That's what I think. You have Hierophant right above it. They may have kept some secrets from you, I feel. Libra. You have the sun as well, the sun and the moon. Wow, this was such an intense connection. You know, I get a sense that the devil here is something to do with your own. You may live in this sense of deception of not feeling worthy. It may be self-deception, not feeling worthy of a partnership, or you eventually think that why it is going to end. That is where you come from when you step into a connection. These may be the lies that you kept telling yourself. Clarify the Lovers. This is the time for you to open up your wounds, allow it to heal, give it all the love and affection that it needs, and transmute that energy. King of Cups, the Star, Three of Swords. There may have been a third party situation involved here, or you may have found yourself a part of third party relationships. It can be work, it can be another person. Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Definitely. Why am I sensing lies and deception here? I'm not really okay with the energy that's coming out at this moment. Clarify Knight of Pentacles, but you're allowing yourself the time to heal. All the time on this planet you are giving to yourself, which is the best thing to do. I really feel it's really time to go within and withdraw yourself from whatever it is that doesn't seem right to you. Clarify Knight of Pentacles. King of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. I think it's going to be about you. There may be something that shows up, but at least that's not what is on your mind. I think you are putting in this work and effort in yourself. Learning new things, pursuing your passion, developing your skills. You may be becoming wiser with whatever you have experienced. Becoming somebody beautiful, strong, courageous, bold, confident, charming. King of Wands, a charmer. But yes, I think it's when you feel the energies are not correct outside of you, I would really suggest that go deep within yourself. There is something that doesn't seem right here, to be honest. Alright? That's the message for you, Libra. I will come back with your new moon readings, which will be short, to the point, very quick. We'll just do guidance message from the universe. That's it. Alright, I will see you soon, darlings. God bless you. Bye-bye.